Hey guys, you're watching Gravity Flying India and this is Shoaib Malik, and today we have Avatar mini wooden helicopter. We are going to make this model with the help of a kit. We are going to remove all the parts from a kit and going to join together, and resultant is here, the Avatar mini wooden helicopter. So let's start making up this plane with you. And this is a kit, the kit part 1 and this part 2. So now we are just going to dismantle all the parts from this kit one by one. So here we have all the parts kept together. We have removed all the small parts from the kit. This is a propeller cover. These are small parts. You can also see we have a propeller. These are propellers. These are the gun portion and the circle portion. We have total 3 different type of circle here with the 3 different square cut mark in this. So type 1, type 2 and type 3 we will be using during assembling. We have a hollow portion, you can see here and here. The cavity is created here. A propeller, you can see here, this propeller can rotate very easily and smoothly here, and another propeller at the bottom of the propeller cover here. Very good. So these both things are having a rotating propeller.